Seasons. This is my local. This is where I grew up. Showing you what it is. Hi, Chippy. Hey, bud. Hey, dude. Got a Adonis in the cut. You got Adonis here. AJ back. Man, you should just. Where's the tattoo, AJ? Where's the tattoo, man?
Nowhere yet.
What's your name?
I'm Brody Irvin.
Brody Irvin. Gavin. Hi, Gavin.
Hi.
Hi, Kai.
Hi.
How are you?
Could be better.
What happened to your shoulder?
Muscle strain.
This kid right here is the youngest backflipper in the world. I don't think there is anyone else who can backflip that is younger than him. Prove me wrong. 21 years this place has been around. We're redoing the bowl right now, but for now we're gonna ride the box jump and we're gonna ride the park section.
How about you guys hit a beautiful train right away to warm up? Beautiful.
I agree.
Big old train between these three.
I'm crying, dude. It's so cold.
Hey you, mister! Hey, hey, the boy, little icy. You over here. You got you, big old dip 3. Big it. Ooh! Saucy dip 3. Yeah, big old dipper! Come on! Oh. Do it again! You gotta land it now! Yeah, there you go! Let's get the Berg in the mix.
Lens is dusty, bro.
They're saying do a 3 to fakie.
Yeah. I got you. Save.
It's on you guys. You guys were face or doing.
Oh, Chippy's going. All right. What are we doing, Chippy, again? Okay.
So foot jam, fakie, half cap whip on the Dorito.
We're gonna do a little chicken nuggeter on the red thing, some spinner thinger on the quarter, to some maybe ice chinger to I don't know.
Right, bet I'm gonna film it all.
Okay.
What happened, buddy? Yeah, there it is. Hi, Chippy.
Thanks, Chippy. I tried mine.
Do a cannon from here. Ah!
They're too lucky hard. The flat guy. Turn around, feeble. Crank arm.
60s for you.
180.
Hey, I know you. Woo! Yo! I'm calling you out. It's 540 the Dorito. Yo, right there! Yo! Back him up, Jimmy. Good sesh. Good sesh. Good sesh. Good sesh. Good sesh. All right, guys, that is about to be wrapping up our session for the time. Our session is going to be over. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I bet you the boys are exhausted. And as always, you guys, like, subscribe, follow the channel. Appreciate it. There'll be more videos coming up soon. I'm just going to be doing a lot more traveling. I don't want to set a specific time frame for my videos, but I'm looking to do them every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I should have a new video out. Appreciate the love, you guys.